Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you people on how to tie a trace for river fishing. You will need some size 4 masted hooks and line for your trace line. I'm using some high performance fire line here, as you can see, and I'm going to be snailing my hooks onto my line. So I'm going to thread my line through the back of the hook eye like this and bring it down back onto the hook. And I like to do 6 wraps around my hook. And thread it back through the front of the hook eye. And then I just use a plier to tighten everything up. And I use a pair of clippers just to cut off my excess at the back of the line. Right, your hook should look something like that. You could either fish with one hook or two. Two hooks help for a better hookup ratio of fishing for the day. And how I like my hooks to set is one hook point facing towards the right and the other hook point facing towards the left. So you're going to leave about a fist length in between the hooks, and you're going to snail the second hook onto the line. You're going to tighten everything together. As you can see here, I got one hook facing towards my right and another hook facing towards my left. Right, yeah. And in a later video I'll show you on how I rig my rods up for rubber fishing here in South Africa, and the tackle that I normally carry on me when I go down towards the water.